there comes a point in your skincare journey when you realize that your old products aren't just enough. Maybe your skin starts to feel rougher even after sticking to your skincare routine for the longest time. Maybe your dark spots take longer to fade. Maybe you're tired of trying out products that promise glow but give nothing back. Then this product probably could help you. This is the new Korean skincare product that's a recent addition to my skincare. It's the Mandelic Acid 5% Skin Prep Water from Wishtrend, gifted by the brand. You might remember it by its old name. The formula is still the same. They've just given it a new look, a better name, and changed the size for more convenience. Now let me tell you why Mandelic Acid deserves a little more attention here, especially when it comes to brown, sensitive skin. It's an AHA, but it's oil soluble and has a larger molecular size. That means it penetrates slowly and more evenly, so less irritation and more controlled exfoliation, ideal for sensitive skin that gets easily reactive. It's derived from almonds, a top 10 superfood, and if you're dealing with acne scars, pigmentation, clogged pores, or that textured feel on the skin, this ingredient looks like checking all the boxes. So here is how it went for me. I've used it a couple of times, but the last night I had just shaved my face and I assumed it would be gentle enough post shaving. Though it says gentle exfoliating toner, I thought it would still be like very gentle, and gentle. But it did sting, not unbearably, but I did feel it. That's when I realized this isn't your soothing, calming toner. It's still very much an exfoliating toner with active ingredients. So if you have sensitive skin, start with just 1 to 2 times a week and go slow. The texture is watery, absorbs quickly, doesn't leave any stickiness. It actually feels quite hydrating though, thanks to panthenol, beta-glucan, hyaluronic acid, and even licorice root extract, which helps even pigmentation. It doesn't dry you out like some AHAs do, so that's a great news. There are 3 ways you could use this. Daily use, just 2 to 3 drops, pat it all over your face. Exfoliation, if you want to get that glow the next morning, soak a cotton pad and swipe it across your face. Targeted care, if you get a bump or a stubborn spot, press a soaked pad over it for 30 to 60 seconds. The brand recommends to use it day or night, but with my own personal experience of having brown sensitive skin, I would suggest stick to the nights and keep using SPF the next morning and throughout the week. That part is non-negotiable when you're using actives, especially when that active is AHA or BHA. If you're someone who wants to simplify their routine and let one product do more than just one job, this might be it. It unclogs, exfoliates, fades dark spots, hydrates, and supports better product absorption. And especially for Indian skin, which is far more prone to pigmentation and sensitivity, Mandelic Acid seems to be a far safer bet than glycolic acid or salicylic acid. Though I have used glycolic acid and salicylic acid, I still use them in my skincare products. I'm really looking forward to see how my experience evolves with this product. And if you're curious to try this, good news, it is available on Amazon. And I have an affiliate link down in the description which gives you the direct access. It's valid for the next 30 days only, so if you're planning to try it, now is a good time. So yes, this isn't a miracle water, but it's actually one of those toners that does something visible for the skin. If you're tired of products that feel nice but don't do anything, try this exfoliating toner. And if you've already tried it, let me know how it worked for you. Or if you want me to compare this with a glycolic acid based toner next, drop that in the comments. Till then, take care of your skin gently, consistently, and with products that make sense for you. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.